How to enable receiving gifts function on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually enable the function of receiving gifts while you are going live on TikTok. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, we simply want to make sure we have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version. If you haven't updated already, you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, type in TikTok and go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated TikTok, I'm going to simply open it. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And in order to actually enable the function of receiving gifts while you're doing live on TikTok, what you want to do is from the bottom right, first of all, simply tap on your profile icon. Once you go to your profile page, on the top right, you can see this three lines icon. Simply tap on it. As you tap on the three lines icon at the bottom, you want to simply go ahead and tap on Creator Tools. So simply tap on the Creator Tools option and you'll be able to see multiple options over here. Right here at the fourth option, you'll be able to see a gift icon and it says gifts. So what we want to do is simply tap on the gift option, and as you can see, gift settings and this toggle is currently turned off. In order to enable the function of receiving gifts on TikTok, you want to simply turn this toggle on right over here. Now, you want to understand that you need to have at least 10,000 followers in order to actually receive gifts on TikTok. If you want to go live on TikTok, you want to have 1,000 followers. If you want to receive gifts on TikTok, you want to have 10,000 followers. You can see eligible accounts and videos must be in good standing, follow our community guidelines, agree to the terms of service, privacy policy, and virtual items policy, and many more options. Now you can also come back, and once you've actually reached that threshold, once you tap on the allow button right over here, you will actually basically enable the function of receiving gifts on TikTok. This is the way to enable the receiving gifts function on TikTok as well as TikTok live gifts. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.